Saturday, we get up at the hotel. We come downstairs around 7:15. We're all getting ready to go, and it's time to go. And go to. It was a beautiful sunrise. Did you guys look at the video? I posted a video from last night, us going through Columbus. I mean, it was a beautiful sunrise. I mean, it was humid, it was hot, but it was beautiful. I mean, the sun just was rising over Columbus. It looked awesome, breathtaking. And then I almost got, and this is one thing I want to talk about because I'll talk about these safety things all the time. Okay, well, Mark, well, actually, I gotta wait till we get to Iron Pony first. So we're on our way to Iron Pony, and I'm using my GPS. I'm leading because I don't normally lead. I've been leading this whole entire week. I got a lot of practice now, so I'm leading everybody. I'm looking at ways because if you go through Columbus, their highways are a lot different than Cincinnati. You have a highway next to a high interstate, and you got another road next to that. So and you got crisscross exits going crazy. So I think there's like 7 exits, and you're only going 10 miles, and you're going back and forth to interstate over this road and that kind of stuff. And we finally get to Iron Pony, and we go in there, and we actually plan it perfect. We got there where we were right behind the leaders, and that's Mark and his crew and that kind of stuff. So we got there right in time. As you can tell, when you went in there, you can tell it's pretty organized already. So Mark and his team, congratulations. I think you guys did a great job of getting everything done. Iron Pony also did too. I mean, they didn't open the store for us, but they let us use the restroom and stuff like that. I think Iron Pony kind of, I don't know if anybody would have bought anything, but I think they would have. You know, maybe I would have bought a pair of glasses or something like that because I needed a pair of glasses that day. But I think they could have had a chance. They could have sold some stuff, but maybe their payroll, you know, that kind of stuff probably wasn't worth it. I don't know. But either way, Indian had the breakfast there, had some cinnamon rolls, some burritos and stuff, and some coffee, which is really good. And then you got this, they give you this thing. Let's make sure I get it in here. It gives you a map of the thing. All right. Well, I don't know what this is. This is a little bit the charity ride and that kind of stuff for you know, the honor and that kind of stuff. And then they give you a map of the racetrack and where you're going to take your track. You're going to ride around the track. So this is where you got to go. That kind of stuff. So you get that. They gave us a different flag than the last time, so they must have knew that.
Oh, they did.
Yeah. So this was
I should
black.
have taken mine out.
Yeah. This
is Mid Ohio.
Yeah, this is Mid Ohio. So this is actually an even better flag than I think we got from Road America. Road America was just a standard flag. And then you get, which I told people on the video, you guys want to check that out. You got, you know, some sunscreen, and you got a keychain, which is pretty cool. You get a couple stickers, and you get a patch, and you get some lipstick.
Lip balm.
Lip balm.
which we have 4 of them.
Dude.
Yeah.
Wow. Jeez.
And then you get the 2. I know, I'm just kidding. And then you get 2 bands. One's for getting onto the track, another one's to getting in. And so you're wondering how much does this cost? You know, to get into the event. It's only $80. $80. Matter of fact, it costs you almost $70 to buy a ticket to get down there on Saturday. And we're not even talking about all the stuff that they did for us.
Where's your patch they gave you?
I just showed it right here.
Let me see it.
My gosh, you're interrupting my.
Okay,
I'm just
just
kidding.
wanted